Hi, in this video we're going to demonstrate how we can assign an AVIH SSR code to a passenger. In order to assign a pet's SSR code to them, click on the S button in the action column. The S stands for SSR in this case. In the SSR registration window, activate AVIH by checking it. Insert the number of containers containing live animals in the left field and their weight in the right field. In the type field, you can choose between two categories, 1 or 2, depending on the airline policy. For example, you can separate mammals from birds. This categorization also influences their prices. Click Submit. There is now a white paw in front of the passenger name. This indicates that we have registered an AVIH SSR code for the passenger. It must be noted that AVIH SSR is considered extra baggage for the passenger. Since this passenger has no baggage, if you assign them to a seat and check them in, the system calculates extra baggage for them. The following data is displayed: 6 kilograms and $10 per kilogram. The total cost is $60. However, the system does not issue the boarding pass. The boarding pass can be printed after the passenger pays a fee for the extra baggage. To do that, you can print an invoice for your passenger by clicking the Print button. They can pay the balance, and if we receive the confirmation regarding a successful payment, we can click on the Paid button to check in the passenger and issue the boarding pass. There are also cases where we would want to offer a discount to our passenger, given the authorization level allows for this. We can also completely waive the price of extra baggage. In this case, we can click Waive. The system will automatically recognize the total baggage weight as a discount. This example can vary. For instance, I want to give this passenger a discount equal to 1 kilogram of baggage. I will write the proper description and click Done. As we can see here, I have given a discount of 1 kilogram equal to $10. You can print the invoice containing this price for your passenger. The passenger pays and returns to the counter. You can complete the check-in process in the meantime. When the passenger comes back to the check-in desk, you can search for his or her name and click on the Ellipsis button in the Action tab. Then click EMD. If the payment has been confirmed, you can issue the boarding pass. Click Paid and finish the check-in process. Enter the associated codes and their description here and click Done. The boarding pass will be printed for your passenger. The check-in process for the passenger is now completed. Thank you for watching.